that word?
Pink.
Pink. That one is? Black. How about this one?
Purple.
Purple. Very good. This one?
Green.
Green. Very good. This one?
Gray.
Gray. That's so good. This one? Can you read that one?
Blue.
Blue. This one?
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good. This one? This one, please?
Red.
Red. Very good. This one?
Orange. Orange.
Orange. This one?
Pink.
No, what's that?
Pink. Brown.
Brown. This one?
White.
White. Very good. Can you give me red? Where's red? You give me a red word. Red? Where's red? Where's red? Give me that one. Give me red. Red. Yellow. Where's yellow? How about brown? Where's brown? Where's white? How about blue? Where's blue? Where's pink? Where's purple? Where's green? Where's gray? Where's gray? Where's orange? Where's black? And yellow?